Hi, over here you can see one expression which is having lots of different operators and we need to solve it. Now do you think that we can solve it in the same order in which they are written? Absolutely not. Okay, so first let us analyze that what all things are there in this, and definitely there is a certain way with which we have to follow the process to solve it properly. Okay, so the first thing is that if we see that what all operators are there in this, so the first one is addition, then I have brackets, after that we have division, after division you can see this power. Okay, so that power is called as index, or we can also call it as order, and the last one is a multiplication sign. Okay, so these all operations are there in this, and we have to actually look at all of them and then we need to solve them in order. So what is that order? Let us understand that. So that order is called as Bodmas. Sometimes it is also referred to as BIDMAS. Okay, the full form of Bodmas is, this is bracket, then this is order, over here it will be index, rest everything is same for both of them. Okay, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Addition and subtraction are like, they are kind of similar. Okay, so they are one after the other in this order. Okay, so you have to remember this Bodmas or BIDMAS. There's only one difference between Bodmas and BIDMAS, and that difference is this. Okay, and I have shown you over here also that they are same, like index or order, they are same. So now let us understand how to solve this question. So the question was 7 plus 15 divided by 3 raised to the power 5, and that is times by 2. Okay, we need to follow the proper order, and that order is Bodmas. So the Bodmas states that first we have to solve the bracket. So first we are going to solve whatever is written in the bracket. So I'll just write like this: 7 plus 15 divided by 3, that will be 5 raised to the power 5 times 2. After the bracket is done, then we will go to the next letter, which is off. Off means order or index. Okay, so in Bodmas we are at O now. Okay, means now we have to solve that order. So it is 5 to the power 5. When you will solve 5 to the power 5, it will be 625 times 5. Okay, when you will solve it further, it will come out to be 3000 and then 125. Okay, so it will be 3125. You can use your calculator to solve that, and that will be multiplied by 2. You can see that just to show the difference I have put one more bracket, but that is just an optional thing because we eventually have multiplication sign now. Okay, so it will be 7 plus 3125 times 2. Now as per the Bodmas, if we see that what all operations are left in this, we have multiplication, and addition comes after multiplication, so I have to do this multiplication first. That will give me 6250. So 6250, that is that 3125 times 2. Okay, and then I need to just add them. So on adding, that will give me 6257. So more than the answer, you just try to understand the flow in which it has been solved. Let me revise it again. We have solved in a flow of Bodmas. First we'll start with bracket, so we solve the bracket, then we got 5, then we solved order. Order means that power. So 5 to the power 5 was 3125. That will be times by 2, because after that the leftover operation is multiplication. So we just multiplied that by 2, we got 6250. 6250 plus 7 will give me 6257. So this is how the Bodmas or BIDMAS is applied in the question. So I hope you understood this. Try to solve more questions on the same to understand the application of Bodmas concept. And if you have any doubt, you can put them in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.